Hope everyone's doing well, and welcome to tonight's week ahead video. Usual format, going over the various FX pairs, crypto pairs as well, like Bitcoin most probably, commodities as well. We're looking at where we currently sit in that market cycle and what opportunities we are likely to be faced with next week. Before doing this, I must reiterate, trading is risky. CFDs are implicitly high-risk products to trade with due to leverage. These signals aren't a personal recommendation to you, so you're not going to have protections a retail client may expect to have. Just be warned beforehand. And yeah, we've had a really strong February. Fantastic trades, I have to say myself. And may that continue. We've just had an absolutely berserk announcement from Donald Trump regarding cryptocurrencies. And he's creating a reserve fund, which is strange because he's picked some zero utility coins in their particular ADA. But he says more to come. I fully expect Stellar to benefit from that. It's really up 11% just on the news, not directly mentioned though. So that's all good. So let's have a look what we've got. We've got this AUD CAD. It's not too clear on the market cycle. Technical 1, 2 up. It's this diagram here. 1, 2 up, 1, 2 down. You can see the 1, 2 up. This looks like the bottom of one, and then into two. We don't know yet. It's quite a narrow range, bit middle of the ground, middle range stuff. Pass. AD CHF. So that's completed the big head and shoulders, head and shoulders, still sort of hugging the neckline of this smaller one here on the right hand side. So it really goes to question whether this is what I'm seeing is correct. We could have the variation where this is 1, this is 2, and then we drop further again. But my hunch tells me that this in fact is 1 here, and 2 is where I have 2 drawn. And that sort of tells me that we've got the pattern complete to the downside. We just need to wait for clear structure to appear. It's not appearing just yet. AUD, NZD, top of level 1 consolidation, expect lower prices. Obviously, this hasn't materialized yet. It's not the prettiest pattern. Otherwise, you're playing a game that you can't be in control of. So you've got to look for trades that set up nicely, that are in your favor. Let's have a look what we can see on AUD USD. This was one that is breaking down currently. We have what appears to be a W after 3. We have sold off the descending trend line. This is a level 2 drop trade, expecting much lower prices, a stronger dollar. There is still a chance that we are going to push higher, but it's very heavy on the downside at the minute. Now, for me, dangerous thing to trade. This has never properly been retested, which was a little bit suspect. It's going to pass. Let's go straight into the meaty things. So we did well on this one. Was it this one or Euro? We sent this out. I played fantastically at Euro AUD. Let's just have a look on the bigger time frame. So Euro AUD is here, easier to see on the daily. So it's a level 2 consolidation. We're moving out of level 2. This is an interesting gap up in prices that we're seeing now today, Sunday. It's a big move already. This would be the first zone. This is the W. This is the first zone. We'll see a break and a retest. We can consider entering. What I see right here, I'm not really seeing anything pass. Euro CAD, again, trying to break. This looks like there's the W. This is a consolidation 1. This looks like a bit of a consolidation 2. I do want to know when price has broken up here. Well, probably up here. And then I'd like to know again if we get up to here. And then I can take trades in line with the cycle. That's the name of the game. Let's just draw in some basic lines. It looks to me 1, 2. Expect high prices. Euro GBP I'm not touching. Euro GBP, Euro NZD. This is one we sent. So we got involved here and we got involved here. It's a great setup, great trend. Good TP3, leaving level 2 consolidation, expecting higher prices. Gapped up. It's gapped up, that's for sure. And what can I notice so far of this entire zone is we have a change, a break, and we've got that magic close above here, which is hugely bullish. I need to wait for another setup to develop. But yeah, that's the change. I'm waiting for a break and then an entry. I will be notifying myself of this when it pushes a bit higher. Okay. Euro USD, haven't really gone for this one. It's at the lows of consolidation. The fact that we're seeing harmonic ABCDs in US yields, which indicates that a stronger dollar and a higher interest rate is going to be happening in America. This one is questionable whether you should even consider it, so I'm going to pass. GBPAD, we took this as well. Wonder trade, leaving level 2 consolidation, high, 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 low. We did really well on this one. Had a really good week of trades. We got in here, flew, but I did chop it because I wanted to protect the Signal subscribers for news. It was a really good trade. What's this? GPCAD. Yeah, looking for longs in line with the cycle. Level 2 consolidation at the minute. Expect higher prices. Yeah, there it is. Just expect that to keep pushing. GBP CHF, what are you up to as well? This one I'm not in love with. It's done a 1 and a 2, and I do expect a 3 in the completion of this harmonic. This is the lows of level 1 consolidation. Well, mid-range at the moment, but you can see structure 1, 2, and if we zoom in here, the reason I like this is because of what I can see in front of me here. Level 1, level 2, expect higher. GBP USD, not really sealing a great deal at the minute. It is long. No real retest of that point. So far, we've had a retest and we're back below. This is a really interesting. You ain't going to take a trade then. People would have got hurt here. The reason I'm not ever so keen on that was the fact we've completed an ABCD. Not there. Okay, but the ABCD is there. It's right here. We completed right up into there and we've pulled away, made a change. Yeah. Pass for now. NZD, CAD, these were things that we were looking for higher prices on. It hasn't materialized yet, but we have the change. We haven't had the internal break. This did become a bit trappy. Did get our 15, but it did become a bit messy. In there, got a tiny move, not enough. Stops to break even. Always try and manage your risk. Entered the USD. This one looked like it wanted to go as well, but collapsed. Again, because we're trading counter to the big cycle. This is a short, but it's difficult to stomach shorting at the low of consolidation. Gold, we sent this out and we had a nice move on gold. Price broke down, lovely. Change, break, entry, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's a good trade. Let's have a look at Stellar. So Stellar is not up as much as some. Ripple's up 40%. ADA's up 55%. Just crypto moves. CAD, let's have a look. USD CAD was an absolute stunning. Missed it. But beautiful price action on the way up. What can I say about it? There's no real excuses for not getting in, but it was a difficult psychological thing to get involved with, and I passed. So there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching. If you want to involve yourself with other like-minded traders that find this stuff fascinating, I do have a personal, when I say personal, I've got another setup called Melon's Trade online on Twitter or X. And yeah, there's a Telegram group for that, and there's about 65 people in there from the Signals group that are chatting harmonics each day. If you're interested, do message me, but it's at Melons, MELONS trade dot. Yeah, that's just the handle on Telegram. Or send me a DM. Thanks for watching, guys. Try and get some good trades tomorrow. Cheers.